mo'y giiwan lang mo. Yari kang na ba? Yan lang mo. Kau lang ang may dieta.
Koromjari Mayam! Yes, Koromjari to all of you guys! Yes, by the way, I'm Jayson and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jrowdixtv. And for today's video, I'm so excited again to grant the request of my viewers. Alright? And you know guys, I have here another requested Manipur song, and it was requested by Nanaw KH. He or she wants me to react a song of Rahulblue. Okay, and when I search in the YouTube, guys, this is my I want to react this kind of music of Rahulblue with the entitle of Oige Khanbasu Nang Khaktani. And this is Rahulblue music video, Manipur song 2020. And yes, this is a song, this is the artist here are Rahulblue, and music also is Rahulblue. So guys, this music video is credited to Snooze Mode. So thank you so much to all of you guys for allowing me to react this music video. So before that, make sure that you are subscribing my channel guys, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So please join me until the end of this music video, so that we can support this song of Rahulblue. And that's it. Without further ado, let's get now and watch this music video. Click the caption to activate the lyrics. Oige Khanbasu Nang Khaktani. Oh, gentleman, very handsome gentleman. Oh, look at the face of this lady. She have angelic face. Can I ask something, guys? These two artists here, the guy and this lady, are true Manipurese artists. They like Korean artists. If I'm mistaken, guys, just correct me, because they look like Korean artists. This is my first time to listen the voice of Rahulblue. Oh, what happened to... Oh, one heart. Oh, I don't know what's happening here. What happened to the face of this guy? Maybe she have or they have a misunderstanding to each other. I don't know. But they are so sweet, guys. Wow. Oh! He kissed the girl. You watching the lazy sitting. Oh yeah. Just like Korean movies. This... Guys, I don't know, huh? I don't have a feeling that this is a Manipur video. I think only the Manipur music is the, you know, I don't know, guys. I'm not sure if this is a Manipur music video, but I'm sure that this music is a Manipur. But the story, the video, I'm not so sure if this is true Manipur scene. Oh, that's all, guys. Wow. Just correct me, guys, if I'm wrong, because I don't have an idea about this music video, and this is my first time to grant another request of our viewers. And Rahulblue is, I think he's money for was this singer, and I don't know, the story here is all about money for story or scene or drama. But the most important, guys, is I grant the request of my viewers, and I'm sorry if I don't have any idea about this, because when I search this about the music of Rahulblue or the song of Rahulblue, this is my first I've seen here in the YouTube. So it's not important, guys. The most important here is I grant the request of my viewers, even though I don't have any idea about this musical video. But mostly I like the song. I love the voice of Rahulblue. And thank you so much for allowing me to react this music video. And don't angry with me, guys, because I'm just a reactor, and that is only my reaction. And I'm so happy also because, you know, when you grant a request of your viewers, it's my honor to to grant your request, guys, and I'm happy for that. So I'm so thankful also that you can request, and you always there to watching my reaction of video. So thank you so much again, guys. Tagachari to all of you. And another reaction of video ended for today. And please, guys, if you like this musical video, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends, to your communities. And if you like this musical video, please give this a lot of a thumbs up or as a support for this song. Alright? So, before we end this reaction of video, I just want to tell you guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video. So, wow. Thank you so much, guys, for always there to supporting me. And see you around, guys. See you on my next reaction of video. Tagachari. Was this Aina Nangbu Nongshi to all of you. God bless you. Bye.